Alright guys, welcome back. Tonight's the night we're doing the nice dyno run. We're here at SUNCITY Harley, so let's get into it. Oh, I'm half shitting myself. Let's go! Alright, just walking out the back to the dyno room now. Dan's already got the bike on there, so we'll see what's happening. What's going on, dude?
Yeah, it's happening.
Not a great deal. Just,
That'll soon change, mate.
yes it will. Preparing myself mentally. We're good to go?
Yeah, we're gonna get that bottle and then we'll bolt that on.
Sweet.
We'll see what happens.
I'll go get the bottle.
Alright.
Oh yeah. What is this thing?
That's a motorcycle.
Yes it is. It's a cool one. Looks like a fast one.
Yeah, it's
Is that an intercooler? Is this thing supercharged or something?
Yeah, what I've been building for a bloke.
Damn. What is this kit?
That is a kit done by my friends at Darkside Customs, Darkside Harleys in Sydney.
In
Look 'em
Sydney
up.
Town. I'll show their thing on the screen right here. That's cool, man. Have you dynoed it yet?
Yeah, we're just floating just over 190 horsepower.
Oh, that'll do. Very cool. I
We'll
like
make
that.
more though. We're gonna do some more stuff to it, make it go a bit faster.
Why not?
Might as well.
You got big power, you need big brakes. I like that. You can still have a like normal exhaust
Yeah.
instead of the turbos. You know, you got to change all that shit.
The reason why it doesn't have the same back wheel as that.
Oh yeah. Really?
Tore the hub out of it.
Shit.
So we're getting another one.
That's cool. Looks tough. Is tough. Well, there you go. Darkside Custom Harleys. Ooh. Is that a sneezer?
Yep.
Cool, let's go. I feel a little bit intimidated by that bike, but I like it. Alright, back to the job.
Probably should have checked the size of that.
Does it work?
Yeah, it's on there. I just got to tighten it up,
Oh, sweet.
and then we'll turn it all on, put some pressure in the system, and it should hold it. And then we'll let it warm up, and we'll do a couple of little button pushes,
Yep.
and then we'll do a big button push.
Hell yeah. Alright, we'll get it all set up and we'll be back soon. Alright, so we need to heat this bottle up. So it's at 950-ish. What is that pressure? PSI?
Yeah, PSI.
Yeah.
We're at 700 PSI now, and it's a bit cold, and we need more pressure.
Yeah. So
we'll
we
heat
gotta
it up.
warm it up with the heat gun and then we can get into it. fucking loud.
Yeah. So I did one run, and the first run, like as it is right now, it made 110 horsepower and 122, which is fine where it is right now.
That was before gas.
Yeah, that's before gas.
Yeah.
So we did a couple different shots. Yeah, different shots, different RPMs where I chucked it in there. A couple earlier, a couple later. So, alright, so the coolest one, I chucked in real early. I threw it, as soon as it was 2,000, I gave it a full shot.
Yeah.
It max horsepower was 136
Yep.
horsepower, but the torque was 159.
Oh shit.
So it's busted it right up, and yeah, you got an extra 30 shot under it.
Yeah, nice.
So, and the one that I put in later on after 3,000, it went max horsepower, went to 140 horsepower,
Yeah.
and the torque was 143.
Yeah, nice.
And they're all just different around the place, and you can see in the graph where it's gone in.
Let's have a look here.
But you can see that you can hear the engine change.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So it going in is that increase there. So
Oh yeah, you can see the line jumping
those
up.
lines jumping up.
Yeah.
So that's the increase when it goes in,
Yeah.
and it holding it, and that's me shutting it off.
Yeah, yeah.
So just so I don't ride it off to, and there's little spikes there and there, be whatever
But
reason.
It's pretty smooth, man.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
It comes on quick, but doesn't
It hits you. Things jumping around a bit. I think the clutch is having troubles holding onto it,
Yeah.
and the tyre's spinning
Oh really?
a little bit. You know, I could tie it down harder on the die, pull it down.
Is that going to change anything, but? Well, it's
No.
pretty spot on with the like the 30 horsepower
Yeah.
thing. It's making 30 more.
Yeah. So, you know, it may change it if you really, really wanted to, but
Oh man.
we're not trying to split friggin' atoms.
Nah. I just wanted to see if it would do what it said
Yeah.
it would do and not blow up, basically. So,
Yeah. Hey, look out. It is a party.
pace advertised, dude. So, what was the biggest numbers of torque?
So the biggest torque we got out of it was
159.
159.56.
So, we'll call round that up
At-
to 200.
At 2,000, at 2.1,
Hang on.
2,700 RPM.
I'll just zoom in so everyone can have a look at that.
Yeah, at 2,700 RPM. So it spiked then. So it spiked early. Like
as.
right there, and then started buttoning off. So the initial hit, picked it up, and gave it a big hoot. So when they say don't hit it when you're not in a good gear, it's because it goes from there to there.
Yeah, it jumps real
And
quick.
that bike will literally pick the front and try and go.
Yeah.
So you just got to hold on.
Very cool. I'm going to have to put that rocket launcher cover on that so I don't end up in the ditch.
But there you go, everyone.
Well, we did it.
There's some runs.
Yep.
We might play with it. We might later on do a bigger shot.
Yeah.
See what happens.
Well, we got a 40 shot there we can do. But
Yeah.
there you go, guys. For the people at home that were wondering, it didn't blow up. And it actually made what it said it was going to make. So, beautiful.
Disappointing though.
Oh, well, yeah, kind of.
Sort of
I'm
sucks.
happy, but I'm sure the viewers...
Oh, that doesn't matter.
I'm sure they're pissed off. They wanted it to die. Well, there you go, guys. That's the Nitrous video done. We've done the dyno. 140 horsepower, 159 point something torque was the max we've got all up. So the kit is spot on. Awesome. Keen to try it on the street, so don't miss that video, guys. We'll catch you later. Bye!